Welcome to Pointers Gap Lookout, New South Wales. Just off the Princes Highway near Yatter Yatter, we found this hidden gem, perfect for a scenic stopover any time of year. We followed the Pointer Gap Road for about 9 kilometres to a sign to the lookout. Perched high on the escarpment in Moreton National Park, Pointer Gap Lookout offers breathtaking views along the Nest Island's south coast. A short, easy walk takes you to the lookout, where fresh coastal breezes and sweeping vistas stretch from Sussex Inlet to Borley Point. Bring your binoculars and soak in the beauty of this peaceful spot, nature at its finest. Can you imagine how pretty this would be in spring? The surrounding heathland would burst into colour, with pink boronia and flowering tea trees attracting flocks of honeyeaters. Pack a picnic, as there are picnic tables and even wood-burning barbecues. But you will need to bring your own wood. You will also find non-flushing toilets here if you need them. Have you been here before? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing locations as we travel across Australia. Until next time, happy travels.